Today we are diving into one of the coolest new features in macOS Sequoia and iOS 18 iPhone mirroring. First thing first, make sure your devices are updated to the latest versions. On your iPhone, go to the settings and tap on General, then select Software Update to check for updates. On your Mac, go to the System Settings. In General, click on Software Update to ensure you have macOS Sequoia. If not yet updated, click on Update Now. With both devices updated, you will notice a new iPhone mirroring app in your Mac's dock. Click on this app to start a mirroring session. Click Continue on the informational screen that appears. If you have more than one iPhone, select the one you want to use from the list. I have only one with this ID, so I am not having that step. Unlock your iPhone with a passcode to allow the connection. Click on Get Started. Use Touch ID on your Mac to authenticate the connection. Alternatively, you can enter your Mac's password. When you start iPhone mirroring for the first time, you can choose to require authentication with every connection or allow a connection automatically. If you choose automatic authentication, you won't need to authenticate every time when your Mac is unlocked. Once authenticated, your iPhone's interface will appear in a dedicated app on your Mac. You can see your wallpaper, app icons, and more. You can click into any app and use it just like you would on your iPhone. Use your Mac's mouse, keyboard, and trackpad to interact with your iPhone. To get to your home screen, click on the bottom bar. You can switch between pages using your trackpad or mouse. Use the menu option to go to the home screen or bring up the app switcher. Customize your iPhone mirroring experience by adjusting settings on your Mac. Go to the system settings and click on displays to change AirPlay settings, resolution, and display options. You can resize the iPhone mirroring window to match your iPhone's display size or make it bigger or smaller. When you are done, simply close the iPhone mirroring app on your Mac to end the session. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.